Hello folks, welcome to campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Crusader Lite 25RD. So this is the smallest of the Crusader Lite series and a true half-ton towable fifth wheel, which is great. It's just the perfect size for going around those different campgrounds, getting in those sites that you need to get into. You can see here you got a beautiful front cap with a high gel coat exterior, the electric awning with the LED lights, and nice stable steps for getting into the trailer. Fully laminated trailer, every wall, sides of the slides, rear wall, everything is laminated on this trailer. So every wall is also insulated the same way. You can see as you come inside, we'll start with these recliner seats. So you got a spot there for your cups, and both those seats recline in a nice deep slide out in a small trailer. And then you can see here in the back, you've got this dinette in the back, which turns into a great bed as well. And then you've got massive windows with roll shades up there, lots of storage up above them. You can see how bright it is in this trailer. And then over here you've got your kitchen area. So you've got your Furrion Camp Chef series, which is great because you've got lots of oven, big oven, and lots of cooktop space. And then your microwave, your fridge as well, nice little backsplash. And then you've got this full island here with storage and drawers all in it. You've got the stainless steel undermount sink, and then turn around right in front of you here and you've got a nice large 50-inch television with lots of storage all around, surround sound, the works. We'll head upstairs here and take a look inside. So you've got a great washroom area with your vanity, your sink. It's got gas, electric, hot water. Then you've got a large shower for a small trailer. It's really, really great. Tons of room, and then tons of storage with a big linen closet in there. Then you head over to the bedroom area and you've got lots of storage in the bedroom. You've got this armoire with some drawers, and it's nice and deep so you can store everything in there. Lots of lighting around the bed as well. And then good sized queen bed, window that opens in the bedroom as well. So really, really well appointed bedroom. So this is a truly half-ton towable Crusader Lite. It's the smallest one of their series. It's called the 25RD, and it's just a great trailer for traveling and seeing all of Canada and the US and wherever you want to go. So we say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. So come on out and check us out just north of Whitby on Highway 12, and come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.